Restural EMS. It claims to be a home-based recovery device that helps fix foot drop using gentle electrical muscle stimulation. Sounds impressive, right? It promises to restore strength, improve foot movement, and reduce stiffness, all without pills, braces, or surgery. But is Restural EMS really legit? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out together. The first concern we found is quite serious. When we checked reviews on Trustpilot, multiple customers reported that their Restural device stopped working within a month. They also said the company refused to help, no refunds, no replacements, and they even blamed users for using it wrong. Many people called it a scam, saying Restural sells cheap knockoffs at high prices. The second concern. The brand says its product is scientifically backed. But here's the thing, we couldn't find any real proof. No studies, no lab tests, no verified research. Without that, it's really hard to believe their claims. Now, the third concern is about their so-called medical endorsements. Restural claims the product is designed and recommended by medical professionals, and even shows a doctor's image to prove it. But when we looked closely, the image turned out to be AI generated. That's definitely not a good sign and raises questions about their honesty. The fourth concern. They keep showing flashy offers like "sale ends tonight" or "October sale ends soon." It feels like one of those fake countdown sales just to rush you into buying. These limited time deals seem more like marketing tricks than real discounts. And finally, the fifth concern. Restural claims it's been featured in big names like Digital Journal, The Guardian, and USA Today. But guess what? We couldn't find any trace of that anywhere. No articles, no mentions, nothing at all. So, is Restural EMS legit? Based on everything we found, the fake endorsements, no scientific proof, misleading ads, and so many unhappy customers, Restural EMS really doesn't seem trustworthy. It looks more like a scammy brand than a genuine medical product. If you're thinking about buying it, it's better to stay away, because the risks definitely outweigh the promises. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.